At least once in this lifetime, every girl has dreamed about her future partner, what their family would be like, and of course, the event that seals all of that. While it is a heartwarming and beautiful event in our lives, planning a wedding is no easy task. That's why we are here to help you turn your dream wedding into a reality. Hello everyone, I am Thea Tolentino, and this is the latest episode of Straight from the Expert. Joining us today is Miss Abby Basa of Kiss the Girl Events to help us get a better understanding of how to make the wedding of your dreams come to reality. Welcome, Miss Abby. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi, Thea. Thank you so much for inviting me.
And of course, before we deep dive into the events and wedding industry, of course, I'm sure na gusto ka pang kilalanin ng ating mga viewers.
I'm Abby Basa, and I'm from Kiss the Girl Events. I'm one of the managing partners of our team. We mostly handle social events, but about 95% of these events are weddings.
So how long have you been in this industry?
We've been doing this for almost 14 years. So we started the team as, actually, we just wanted to do something over the weekend.
Oh, wow. Sana ganun din ako gumawa ng business. Let's go straight to the point of this episode. Of course, we want to learn how to have the wedding of our dreams. So, ano po yung mga unang steps in planning the wedding?
First of all, you really need to have like a deep conversation with your partner. Because this is also a commitment. Because you're planning the beginning of your marriage. Una sa lahat, like, what's our budget? So, ano ba yung kaya natin i-spend or hanggang saan ba yung gagastusin lang natin? And it's very important to be able to stick to your budget. Second is you have to identify sino ba yung gusto mong i-involve sa wedding nyo. Who would be your entourage? Who will be your guests? So, doon na papasok like, ilang guests ba yung i-invite natin. Next is, you also need to consider what type of wedding do you want to have. Since us Filipinos, we're, like majority of Filipinos are Catholics eh. So, will we have a Catholic wedding? So, pag Catholic wedding, automatic church wedding na siya. Are we having a civil wedding? Or a destination wedding? Or an intimate wedding? So, doon natin mas mafa-funnel kung anong type of wedding will we have. So, it's really important to discuss between the both of you kung ano yung gusto ninyo.
Kayo po, Miss Abby, para sa inyo, ano yung best venue? Is it the church or a destination wedding? And ano yung pros and cons ng mga ganitong venues?
Sa venues kasi, this is really your preference. So, preference and then budget. So, some naman, let's say we have enough budget, we want to have a big wedding. Usually, ano yan? Church and then wedding reception. If gusto natin mag-destination wedding, we need to consider na yung guest list natin medyo liliit siya.
Ngayon pa nga lang ako, hindi pa po ako engaged. Parang gusto ko nang ilista. Yeah, ano na kapag taga-probinsya ka, kailangan buong angkan. Tama.
Correct.
In terms of coordinators, ano naman po yung ma-advise nyo? Advisable ba to get a full planner or on-the-day coordinator?
Again, papasok pa rin yung budget natin. If we have enough budget to hire a full planner, which means si full planner will guide you from start. So si full planner, he or she will advise you kung ano bang mas suitable for you and kung ano yung papasok sa budget nyo. Big wedding, small wedding. Si full planner will navigate you through the entire wedding planning process hanggang sa matapos yung day itself, hanggang sa wrap-up, kasama nyo si full planner. Now, there's also on-the-day coordinators, which we also do that. So these are for the couples na are very hands-on. They want to do research, they want to meet all the suppliers before booking. So si on-the-day coordinator will just ensure that the day itself will go smoothly as planned. So kumbaga, you will hire someone, ida-delegate mo na sa kanya yung task. Pero ikaw yung nag-plan ng lahat.
So with planning, how long does it usually take para planuhin ng isang wedding?
On an average, it's a year to 6 months na start from scratch.
Bilang matagal na kayo sa industry, meron na rin kayo sinasuggest ng mga partners nyo para swak na yung mga galawan nyo sa wedding, wala nang adjustments na mangyayari, sinasuggest nyo na rin yun sa mga clients nyo.
We don't really have like a partner or we don't have a tie-up. But we do have vendors, certain vendors na we suggest to the couples if it's based on their preference. Like let's say for photo and videos, iba-iba kasi yung style nila eh. So I can't stick to one list if hindi to pasok sa gusto nila. So same din sa budget kasi like there's like super high-end photo and video teams and meron naman mga nagsa-start pa lang na medyo mas mura and mas affordable yung mga rates nila. So pwede pa rin naman kaming mag-suggest. So, papasok siya sa preference niya talaga.
Grabe, so ganun po pala talaga kami tikuloso ang mag-plan ng weddings. So sana marami din kayong natutunan kagaya ko. Ngayon pa lang po, Miss Abby, planuhin ko na yung wedding ko.
Kailangan talaga.
Ang hirap! Up next, we're going to talk about venues, catering, wedding gowns, rings, and all you need to know that can help you turn your dream wedding into a reality. So sit tight and join me and Miss Abby Basa of Kiss the Girl Events in the next part of Straight from the Expert. See you!